Looking for the best free Photoshop alternative for your PC? Maybe you're a budding designer, photo editor, or just someone who loves to dabble in creative projects, but you don't want to shell out the hefty subscription fee for Photoshop. Well, you've landed in the right spot. Today, we're diving into the top free Photoshop alternatives you can get for your computer. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which program matches your style and needs, plus some bonus options if you want to keep experimenting. Let's get right into it. The first one on almost everyone's list is GIMP. Now, GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, but all you really need to know is that it's hands down the most famous free alternative out there. Think of it as the Swiss Army knife of image editing. It's open source, packed with powerful features, and it can handle everything from photo retouching to creating original artwork. The interface might seem a bit intimidating at first, especially if you're new to photo editing, but don't worry. There's a huge online community and lots of tutorials out there to help you get started. Once you get comfortable, you'll see why so many people stick with GIMP. Next up is Photopea. If you need something that works right inside your browser, Photopea is truly a game changer. No installations. Just go to the website and start editing. What's cool is Photopea supports PSD files, so you can open up projects made in Photoshop and tweak them. It's perfect for those quick fixes or when you're working on a shared computer. Plus, the tools and layout are super familiar to anyone who has used Photoshop before. So if you're switching over, you'll feel right at home. Krita is another powerhouse, especially if you're interested in digital painting and illustration. While GIMP and Photopea lean towards photo editing, Krita is made for artists. Its brush engine, layering options, and tablet support make it a favorite among illustrators and comic creators. Even so, you can still perform basic photo edits if you want to. Imagine Krita as your digital sketchbook and painting studio rolled into one, and best of all, it's completely free. Now, let's talk about Pixlr. It's fast, web-based, and works beautifully for simple edits, adding filters, cropping, or resizing photos. If you're in a hurry or just need to spruce up a picture for social media, Pixlr is quick and intuitive, kind of like having Photoshop Lite on the go. Beyond those, you've got even more options depending on your style and workflow. Affinity Photo isn't free, but it's a fantastic budget alternative, often on sale, and worth a mention if you're willing to pay a one-time fee. PaintNet is another solid option if you want something lightweight and easy for everyday editing, especially if your computer isn't super powerful. Tools like Canva and Photor are great for design projects like flyers, social media posts, or collages. Canva especially is beloved for its drag-and-drop interface. If you're working mostly with photos, applications like Darktable, Raw Therapy, and Luminar Neo offer more tailored support for raw image editing and advanced enhancements, perfect for photographers wanting to push their shots to the next level. And just to round out your choices, there are programs like Photoscape, PhotoPose Pro, Sumo Paint, and Polar, which each have their own unique strengths. Whether it's batch editing, adding quirky filters, or working in a completely browser-based setup, there's truly something for everyone. Remember, the right Photoshop alternative really comes down to what you need. Are you drawing and painting, editing photos professionally, just cropping and resizing holiday pics? Try a few from this list and see which one fits your workflow. I hope this helps you find the perfect tool for your creative projects. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave a comment below with your questions or your own recommendations. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.